So, what is the relationship between language, media and society? Well, given that's the point of this whole module, we'll still be exploring it in the final class. But it's useful to think about looking at things from three perspectives. Imagine that you are in a room at a party, and three of the people there stand for language, media and society, respectively. Depending where you are in the room, you'll view the three people differently. You'll hear different parts of each of their conversations. You might or might not engage with one or more of them directly, or the link might be more indirect, people watching, if you will. Each thing you hear or see from each perspective will teach you something about each of the people and the relationship between them. Each will build on the last to give you a clearer picture, just like getting to know actual people. We'll look at things from the following perspectives. How people use language and other forms of communication in individual interactions, attitudes to language and other forms of communication and their implications, and how we are positioned by language, communication and the media. Positioning is a theoretical word, a concept. For our purposes, it doesn't mean physical positioning. It relates to what our position is in terms of our power and our status. How does that relate to how we speak and how others speak to us and about us? How does it relate to how the media represent us? You might say, I can see how that could affect me personally, but how does it relate to society? Well, the way people or the media position individuals has implications for others who share aspects of that person's identity too. If you hear someone making fun of the way people from your community speak, or there is something negative about your community reported on the news, might you be concerned that people will think differently about you because of it, or treat you differently because of it? There would be no logical reason for people to do this, but nonetheless it sometimes happens, unfortunately. In other more theoretical terms, the ways in which language puts people in their place and categorises them has potential implications for people's position in wider society relative to other individuals and groups. See you in the next video.